This is a quick unboxing of the NELKO label maker, which connects to your phone via Bluetooth, Android, iOS. But we'll see what's included with this label maker real quick. Let's open it up. And as you can see, it uses a lipin battery. Okay, comes with a QR code, how to print and how to pair with your Bluetooth. A booklet. And of course, the main daddy of them all, the label maker from NELKO. And a USB-C connector, which is greatly appreciated. And that's about it. Okay, let's see what this looks like if you open it up. Okay, and this is what the product looks like. This is how big it is if you fit in your hand. There's a lock switch, cut button, and the USB port. There'll be a separate video for the review, but this is what you would expect from the box of this NELKO label printer.